Welcome to today's video. If you've ever needed to identify an Eaton 2000 series PTO, you've probably noticed that the part number can seem a little bit intimidating at first. But don't worry, once you know how to break it down, you'll be able to quickly identify the unique features and variations. In this video, we'll guide you through how to decode that PTO part number, focusing on the 2000 series. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to easily identify the specifications of your PTO. Side note here, we're going to cover a lot of variations in this video. To help you with the more in-depth details, be sure to check out the article linked in the description below for all the options available when identifying your specific PTO. While the part number may seem long and complex, once you know how to break it down, identifying the nuances of a PTO becomes much easier. Every Eaton PTO follows the same standard breakdown. We'll focus on the 2000 series in this video, but a similar format is used across all PTOs. The number is divided into 8 key sections. We're looking at Eaton PTOs, so the first 2 characters will always be PT, which identifies it as an Eaton PTO. The next 4 digits represent the series. For instance, 2000 is a standard mount, and 2010 is for a deeper mount. The next letter indicates the version of the PTO. X represents standard version, G for a greasable output shaft, and P is for oil pressure lube. After that, we have an internal ratio. For example, A indicates a 1 to 0.05 ratio, while T indicates a 1 to 165 ratio. Be sure to always refer to your power takeoff application guide to make sure you're choosing the correct final PTO speed ratio. The next number indicates the shifter type, whether it's cable, wire, constant mesh, or air. Digits 10 and 11 identify the input gear. The input gear is specific to the transmission you have and needs to mesh with the gearing. There are 44 variations here, so be sure to refer to the article for details. Digit 12 shows the assembly arrangement. For example, is the PTO mounted to the right and forward, to the left, or and the rear? This number will tell you. The final 2 letters indicate the output type, or how the PTO interfaces with your equipment's pump, shaft, what have you. So, for example, let's look at the PTO in front of me. It's a PT 2000 XCN011RA. Let's break that down. PT means we're looking at an Eaton PTO. 2000 indicates it's the 2000 series 8-bolt version. X means it's the standard version. C represents the internal ratio, so in this case it's a 1 to 0.73 ratio. N indicates the shifter type, air shifted. 01 represents the input gear, specifically Fuller series. The next one indicates that the assembly is to the right and forward. And lastly, RA means the output is SAE B2 or 4 bolt 13T rotatable. There you have it. Now you know how to decode the Eaton 2000 series PTO part numbers and easily identify its key features. Remember, the article linked below in the description is a great resource for further details on all the variations and options you might encounter. If this video was helpful, share it with a friend or colleague. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.